Hello, lovely people of the world. How are you? My name is Brunel. Welcome for everyone else who knows who I am. Welcome back. Thank you very much. So, seeing as how you guys know, I've not been well. I'm going for the lazy video. This is a new item that I wanted to try out. And it is this. This is the packaging. I've not unboxed it yet, so we're going to do that together. It is the ICONIC London 360 roller. It is an application, an application. It is a roller that you use to help massage your face whilst applying products. And so ICONIC London have now moved on to skincare. Who isn't moving into skincare? And this is all the continuation of last year about self-care and looking after oneself and at-home massages. Why not? Now, it comes, the roller, 360 roller, I should say, can come with the serum as well. So I didn't buy the serum because I've got other products here that I use which are specifically for my skin type. I've got super oily skin, so I'm happy with the products I've already got here, so that's why I did not get the one from ICONIC London. But you can certainly get the serum, have a look through. It's super hydrating. It's got hyaluronic acid. Which product hasn't got hyaluronic acid nowadays? And it's got a whole bunch of other products in there, and they've got different price ranges. You can either go for the actual 360 roller on its own, which is £35. You can have it with the serum, and then it's got another price point. I think it's about 70 something pound, or you can have it added with something else. And yeah, so depending on what you want, check out the website and you can do that. But for me, I am going to be trying this one out. So let's unbox this. Excuse the nails. I started painting them and then I gave up. For some reason, my nails cannot keep nail varnish. So this is... It comes like this. I've already cleansed my face. I've not moisturized. So, ooh, it's in gold. It's in gold. Let's not have it upside down. So this is what it looks like. And I'm opening it. Okay. Yeah, don't do that. So there you have it. Something gold, something shiny, something beautiful. So just showing you a close-up of it. So that's what it looks like. And yeah, so instructions are meant to be drag it in kind of outward motions around the temples, underneath your eyes, and also around your cheekbones and underneath or around your jawline. So that's the very simple instructions on how to use it. You are supposed to apply this on your skin first after cleansing your skin. Supposed to apply this and then apply a product on your face with using your hands, and then go over it with the massage to help embed the products into your skin. So I've already cleansed my face, and now I'm just going to go over my skin and see if there is any difference at all. Oh, it's cooling effect. Oh, I like this. Yes, I do. Oh, I can't even explain to you guys. I've been so unwell. Even today, I'm feeling the sort of the effects of having my first vaccine. Yeah, you know, the vaccine. And yeah, I'm feeling a bit sore, but my face has been absolutely painful before even touching it. So this is really cooling and soothing. Oh, yes. Absolutely. Oh, I like this. I've done that and my skin feels a bit awake. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty, or Fenty Skin I should say, Fat Water, which is Pore Refining Toner Serum. Yeah, so this is the small travel size. I wanted to test it out before I went on to the full size, and it's meant to be moisturizing and also good for your skin. So we are going to go with that. Just going to do the same thing quickly after applying each product. Next item I'm going with is this one. I've mentioned this one before, and this is Halamide Sub Q Skin Advanced Serum, and this is for multi-depth rehydration and reduction in the look of lines and irregularities. So I use this one, and I'm just going to again apply that over my face, if I can undo it, that is. Then I'm going to go in with this, which is the Fenty Skin Hydra Visor, which is invisible moisturizer with SPF 30, which is great actually, because I love this now because it doesn't actually leave a film over my face, and you can see it. It's great. Be able to have SPF on my face without it leaving residue. Oh. And it's so moisturizing. Final item I would have used would be an eye cream. I don't actually have an eye cream, and I've got my, I've got my eye on the Highborn London. I keep seeing it advertised, but if you've got something that's much more reasonably priced, and any suggestion, please let me know below as to which are good eye creams to go for. I definitely want to buy one. So in the meantime, I'm going to use the Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream, because I do really like this cream. It's got a few oil-based items in there, but it still feels very, very light. I tend to use this more at night rather than during the day. But I'm just going to tap in. You can see how much of it I've used. It's nearly gone. It's nearly finished. Honestly, I've really dipped into this. And I'm just going to use a tiny, tiny amount around the eye area and then massage it in place as well. Alright guys, so that's it. I've done it just underneath the eyes. You didn't really need to see it as the same application. Is this worth £35? I don't know, to be honest, because, well, it's something that's meant to be used long term. Initially I was thinking, oh, the size of it with the dip and so on. But actually with the dip that goes in the middle, it's nice enough for you to be able to put it along your bone structure, and it shapes it into place. So actually that's not so bad at all. Even around the cheekbones, even around these areas over here as you go up. Yeah, so it actually does work. Be careful with it when you're doing under your eyes, that you don't get too close to your lashes, and then you end up catching your lashes as it's rolling and taking some of your lashes with you, because it's very painful. I did that. Yeah, so be careful not to do that. Yeah, just be careful. Okay. And shape-wise, I like the fact that it is cooling, and I love using it around the temple area. It's just got such a cooling effect. It's so soothing. So, oh yeah, I absolutely love that. So yeah, it's great. It's something for you to use at home. Why not? Treat yourself. And there are quite a few different companies coming up with applications like these. I know that Fenty had an application which was more specifically to do with the eyes. So I'm kind of glad with this one that I can use it under the eyes and on the rest of my face as well. I'm not too sure if Fenty's one you could use all over the face. I could be wrong, but I was eyeing it, and then I saw this and I thought, oh, actually, why not get this and apply it all over? And yeah, so there are instructions, of course, on how to use it. So this is it. This is the ICONIC London 360 roller, which is meant to be perfect for at-home facial massage. De-stresses your mind and body, can help to sculpt cheekbones, visibly lift and firm the skin. And yeah, you use with their serum or your own serums. So yeah, something I'm going to be using, and why not, people? Let me know what you guys think, and of course don't forget to give me a suggestion with regard to a good eye cream to go for. It's the only area around my face that actually gets dry and needs more moisture, which is why I tend to use creamy concealers and so on. So let me know which is a good eye cream to try. Other than that, stay safe wherever you are, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.